Hello students, let's learn new chapter number 13. Name of the chapter is Exponents and Powers. Mass of Earth is this much kilograms and mass of Uranus is this much kilograms. Now I will ask you one question. Can you read these numbers? It is quite difficult to read this number. Another question for you. Can you compare this number? Tell me, from these two weight of the planets, which has greater mass? It is quite difficult. So to make this number easy to read and easy to compare, we use exponents. So in this chapter we will discuss about the exponents and how to use them. Exponents. 10,000. This 10,000 we can write it as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Means 10 multiplied by 10, 100, 100 multiplied by 10,000 and 1000 multiplied by 10, 10,000. This is nothing but 10 multiplied 4 times. So this we can write in short 10 raised to the power of 4. This form is called exponential form. Ten raised to the power of 4 is called exponential form of 10,000. And here this 10 is called base and this 4 is called exponent. Again, this 10 raised to the power 4 is called exponential form for 10,000, and in this exponential form 10 raised to the power 4, 10 is base and 4 is exponent. This can be read as 10 raised to the power of 4. 10 raised to the power of 4. Or we can read as fourth power of 10. Fourth power of 10. Let's take one more example. 1000. This 1000 we can write as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. That is nothing but 10 multiplied 3 times, which is equal to, in exponential form, 10 raised to the power of 3. Here 10 is base and 3 is exponent. And for 100, we can write it as 10 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied 2 times, that is equal to 10 raised to the power of 2. For this power 3 and 2, we have a special name which we write is as 10 cubed. What is it? 10 cubed. 10 raised to the power of 3, 10 cubed. 10 raised to the power of 2, we can read it as 10 squared. 10 squared. For other examples, 3 raised to the power 2, we can read it as 3 squared. 2 raised to the power 3, we can read as 2 cubed. You have to remember that 1 raised to any power is 1. For an example, 1 raised to the power of 5. So that is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied 5 times, which is equal to 1 ones are 1, 1s are 1, 1s are 1, 1s are 1. So we will get the answer 1. That means 1 raised to the any power, 5, 6, 7, whatever, we will get the answer 1. Now for negative number, for -1, if we take even power, for an example, if we take 2 is an even number, we will get the answer in positive form. Means if we simplify this number, minus 1 raised to 2 means minus 1 multiply by minus 1. Minus minus plus, and 1 ones are 1. So for any negative number, if power is even number, we will get the answer in positive form. And for any negative number, if power is odd number, for an example, minus 1 raised to the power of 3. 3 is an odd number. When we simplify it, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied 3 times. So here when we simplify it, that is minus minus plus, and this plus minus minus, and we will get the answer minus 1. So for any negative number, if the power is odd, then we will get the answer in negative form. Let's solve exercise 13.1. Question number 1. Find the value of sum number 1, 2 raised to the power of 6. Before solving this sum, I will ask you one question. In this exponential form, what is base and what is exponent? So here we can clearly see that this 2 is a base and this 6 is exponent. Now solve this sum. 2 raised to the power of 6 means 2 multiplied 6 times. So this we can write it as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied 6 times. We will simplify it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 2s are 64. So value of 2 raised to the power of 6 is 64. Next, 9 raised to the power of 3. We will simplify it. That is equal to 9 multiplied 3 times. That is 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 multiplied by 9. So here quickly we will do this multiplication. 81 multiplied by 9. 1 9s are 9. 8 9s are 72. So answer is 729. Next, 11 raised to the power 2. This we can read as 11 squared. 11 raised to the power 2 means 11 multiplied 2 times. 11 multiplied by 11. And 11 11s are, that is equal to 121. Fourth sum, 5 raised to the power of 4. That is equal to 5 multiplied 4 times. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, and this 5 5s are 25. So 25 multiplied by 25. So 25 multiplied by 25 is equal to 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12. Here 0, 5 2s are 10. Here 0, here 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus 1, 5. 5, 2, 6. It is 6 to 5. Next, question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. Sum number 1. 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. This is nothing but 6 multiplied 4 times. So this we can directly write 6 raised to the power of 4. And this is an exponential form for this question. Next, t multiplied by t. So here it is t multiplied 2 times. So that is equal to t raised to the power of 2. Third sum, b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b. This is what? b multiplied 4 times. So in exponential form we can write it as b raised to the power of 4. Sum number 4, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Here two different numbers are there. So we will make two groups, 5 multiplied by 5 and 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 5 multiplied by 5 means 5 multiplied 2 times. So that is equal to 5 raised to the power 2, or we can say 5 squared. Multiply by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 means 7 multiplied 3 times. So that is equal to 7 raised to the power 3, or we can say 7 cubed. So answer is 5 squared multiplied by 7 cubed. Sum number 5, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a. So we will make two groups, 2 multiplied by 2 and a multiplied by a. 2 multiplied by 2 means 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a means a raised to the power 2. So answer is 2 squared multiplied by a squared. Next, sum number 6, a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by d. Here three alphabets are used, so we will make three groups, a multiplied by a multiplied by a, then c multiplied by c multiplied by c, and then d. So that is equal to a multiplied by a multiplied by a means a multiplied 3 times. So it is equal to a cubed multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c means c multiplied 3 times. It is c cubed and multiplied by d. So our answer is a cubed multiplied by c cubed multiplied by d.